Dear scholars, we have been learning a lesson, Think Before You Speak. Through the previous two videos, we came to know that why man should listen more and speak less, and explanation and statements related to it. Besides that, the story of the young man and his teacher. Here we are there in this third video and last part of this lesson, where what Socrates told his disciples or followers when to speak or when to open mouth and when to keep shut. That is helpful for the title of the lesson, understanding the title of the lesson, Think Before You Speak. Let's begin. Socrates was one of the wisest men of the ancient world. Many were the youths whose lives he influenced for better. What is it? Socrates, considered as one of the wisest men of ancient world, and because of his wisdom many of the youths were influenced, affected. Next paragraph. Socrates counseled his disciples to keep their mouths shut and speak only when absolutely necessary. Here the word counsel means advised or guided. So Socrates guided or advised his disciples, followers, or you can consider students. He guided them when to keep their mouth shut and when to speak, or what is the correct time or where it is necessary to speak. Let us see what is it. O wise one, how may we know when it is right to speak? They ask him. So as Socrates told his disciples, followers or students to keep their mouth shut and speak only absolutely necessary. So the disciples ask him, O wise one, that is Socrates, wise man, how can they know, how may they know when it is the right time for speaking? Here is the reply. Open your mouth to speak only after you have asked yourself 3 questions and received an affirmative answer to each of the 3 questions. Each of the 3, replied Socrates. So how to judge whether it is time to speak or not? For that purpose, Socrates told them, ask 3 questions to yourself, themselves, and after getting affirmative answer, positive answer, then only you should speak. Let us see what were those 3 questions and are they really helpful today. First question, it is here. Sorry. What were the 3 questions? Let us see. The first question we must ask ourselves before we speak is it true? Whatever we are there to speak, we should ask ourselves whether it is true or not. If we are not sure about the veracity of what we are saying, it is better that we do not utter a word. When we utter words carelessly, we ourselves become transmitter of untruth. Here, the word veracity means truth. So Socrates guided his disciple that before speaking, if we think whether it is true or not and then speak, at that time we become the transmitter of truth. If we don't know what is reality, what is truth, and still we are speaking, at that time we become transmitter of untruth. So one must become transmitter of truth, and for that purpose one must ask this question. First question, is it true to oneself? Next, the second question to ask is it pleasant? What is it? Let us see. Many are the empty remarks and vain statements that people make in idleness to hurt others. It is better that these unpleasant words remain unspoken. So, if after speaking something we are going to hurt someone, definitely we must not speak at that time. That is, whatever we want to speak, it is not pleasant. So, in such a moments, it is better that the unpleasant words should remain unspoken. So the next question to be asked ourselves, that is it pleasant? First of all, we must think whether it is true or not. Next, we must think whether it is pleasant or not, whether it is going to hurt someone or not, and then we must speak. Third one, let us see. The third question according to Socrates is it useful? Whatever you are going to speak, really it is useful or not? That must be thought over. And if you think it is useful, then you should speak. Is our statement going to benefit the listener? Will our words bring comfort to someone? Are we likely to help someone with what we say? Only in that case should we go ahead and speak. So whatever we are going to speak, really is it going to provide benefit to the listener? Really is it going to provide comfort to someone, the listener? Or are we likely to help someone? So if we are there to provide benefit, if we are there to provide comfort, if we are there to provide help, at that time whatever we want to speak, that is useful. So these are the at that time we can speak. So these are the three questions given by Socrates to his disciple. So do you think really they are helpful in this modern age too? Of course, yes. So whenever we are there to speak, we must also ask ourselves this question: is it true? Is it pleasant? And is it useful? If we get the positive answers of all these three questions, at that time we must speak. Otherwise, we can become transmitter of untruth, we can hurt someone, or we can make the person suffer some losses, or we can make the person more worried, we can make him discomfort, and so on. So remember the three questions: is it true? Is it pleasant? Is it useful? So this is all about the preaching or the statement given by the wise person Socrates, or the three questions, important three questions given by Socrates. So this is all about the lesson, think before you speak. Remember, whatever explanation given at the beginning, whatever story given, that is about the young man and his teacher, and besides that, whatever told by Socrates, if we follow all these things, definitely we are there to learn really good things. That is, we will listen more and we will speak less. Besides that, our words will not hurt anyone, our words will not break any relation. So this is all about the lesson. I hope you all will understand the given explanation.